Hello, I'm Jared Johnson from Pulteney Grammar School, and I'd like to introduce the ICT Integration workshops and e-portfolios. Sorry I can't be there at the moment because I am just about to teach a robotics class and cannot be at two places at once. If you need to contact me, my details are on the screen at the moment and they will also be available in your booklets. These are all different things we're going to be covering in this section. There's about 8 workshops. And you're going to be going through, watching a series of videos I've prepared and then posting your comments against them. We're going to be dealing with the national standards for teachers in the process, and when you are posting your comments, once you've finished, you are then going to read the 5 people above you who have posted their comments and grade them. This will then be moderated. I'll go through that in a little bit. You're going to be typing in lams.adelaide.edu.au /lams/signup/ICT 2015. We're using 2015 because last year the students said it'd be good if they could read what other people have written. When you first get on, if you're one of the diligent people, there's nothing to read. So instead of actually creating a new one each year and the diligent people missing out, we thought, why not allow people to read what everyone's read in the past? So when you get on, this is just the first time, it's the only time you get to this. You're going to sign in with a username. I would suggest you use your own university number. Your password is visible, all right? And this is the password which you're going to use to log on every time. I cannot retrieve your password for you, so if you forget it, it's going to be sent. You may be able to get it sent to your email, but generally just use something simple. I'm using password for now because I'm not actually going to create this account. I'm going to put in my name and my email address and then confirm that. And then the course key is ICT 2015. I have no idea why this comes up as dots when you can see your password, but never mind. You're going to click submit and it's going to allow you to log in. Now, I don't want to do that. Instead, I'm going to go, I've created an account already, so I just want to go to log in. So lams, now I just go to lams.adelaide.edu.au. If you want, you can go /lams, it makes no difference. So now, this is what I see. Okay, and I've used my username, which would be A1045522, and my password, which was password, to log on. So this is what I see. You're going to see something similar. Right, you're going to click on, you'll only see workshop 1. You have to complete workshop 1 before it will let you go on to the next workshop. And when you log in, you'll see something like this. Down the side, you have your progress. Blue means you've completed it, red means it's the one you're on to, and green means you still have to yet to go. So at the moment, I'm at discussion point 1, and I want to click on collaboration, and it will bring up all the posts that have been done. So here is the question I'm asking. So give an example how you get a class to work collaboratively without using technology, and then how would you get them to do the same thing with technology. The idea is we're actually starting to look at the shift in what you're doing. So just click reply, and you would put in your post. You're going to go through some benchmarking to understand what you need to write. Let's see, play chess online. Okay, now that is a terrible post. Okay, I submit that, and to give you an idea of how many people have already posted, I'm just going to go right down the bottom. So this here. Now everyone's going to give me a vote. Now I can vote on other people. I can't vote on myself. I vote on other people. Now this person's written nothing, so I'm going to give him the lowest vote I can find. This person has written quite a lot, so you're going to give your vote based on your benchmarking, and it may be up at a 5. You need to get at least a 3 to consider that you've reached the standard. All right. Now, from my point of view, this is what I see. So I see a whole heap of people and all their little spots, so I can track your progress. All right, and see how you're going. Once you have finished, I'm going to be moderating all your work to make sure that what people have given you is the same to what I think you deserve, and there'll be something that's like this, and this is tracking everybody's responses. Okay, at the end of it, you'll get given a standard of graduate proficiency for if you've got all 3s. If you're getting some 4s and 5s in there, which means you're working above standard, you can get proficient. If you're getting all 5s like this person here, then you get highly accomplished knowledge and understanding. At the end of it, once you've completed everything, I will then send you a certificate, which will look something like this. Okay, and it gives you a breakdown. The highest grade I can give is graduate standard. I can't give anything more than that because you are only a graduate. But this will give you a breakdown of this. You can use this in your e-portfolio to identify where your strengths and weaknesses are. So here it seems I'm pretty good at planning, but I'm not so good at knowing how well the students work. Okay, but I've got proficient for it, at least for all of them. Okay, so that will be the main work that you're going to be doing for me all throughout the term. You're also going to be working on an e-portfolio, which Linda's probably going to go through a lot more, and Michelle's going to go through a lot more. The other thing that I'm going to suggest is all my blogs and my videos can be found on my YouTube channel, which is JohnsonLabz. I'm also going to try and do some podcasting on the weekends, which I'll make active to all the student teachers, so you can send me questions and I'll try and comment on them. Alright, I'd like to thank you for your time and welcome to being a student teacher and hopefully a really good profession. Thank you very much. See you.